Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. This is the SEL trim, and it is really a very unique vehicle. Something I knew a little bit about, but was actually kind of rare. These are kind of hard to find. Huge rear hatch area. Good amount of rear seat room. So it is gas and electric hybrid. The gas motor is a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder. I love the interior of this car, especially the gauge cluster, because once I put it in drive and over into sport, it changes a good amount. But we'll go ahead, we'll start the drive, and, well, move over to sport after we get off the highway, and then for the back road, we'll be in manual mode. So let's go ahead and start the drive. For being fun to drive, this is fun to drive in two respects. It's fun because it's fun to see, okay, can I get it to stay in electric mode? And then it also is actually really sporty. It's fun to drive in that respect too. Once you're on the highway, the engine cuts off, and as long as you don't floor the accelerator or give it too much gas, you can just cruise around in electric mode until the battery depletes to a certain level. Then the gasoline motor will come back on to charge it up and propel you. Sport mode makes a really good difference. Everything's just a bit peppier. I also love the gauge display in sport mode. The orange and digital tachometer, it all looks really good. In sport mode, the electric motors also provide additional power, so it actually has a really good thrust to it. With the batteries being mounted down low, it gives the platform a really good handling characteristic of being fun to drive, even though it wasn't designed to be so. Not a ton of body roll. I'm impressed. Braking feel is phenomenal. It does have regenerative braking. As you press the pedal more, it uses that braking force to charge it. Let's see how it handles. Over the bumps, feels really good so far. Wow, really, really good. What's nice is low down in sport mode, the battery kind of propels it. So say I was only at like 1,000 RPM for that little acceleration there. And from 1,000 RPM, the battery propels it, gives it a good amount of torque. So you really can just stay in one gear. It's awesome. On that note, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.